Hi, I'm Naomi Basai. I'm the lead dental nurse here at Shiraz Endo. Decontamination is the process of disinfecting and sterilising dental instruments. It prevents cross-contamination, ensuring patient safety by eliminating microorganisms from dental instruments. The process includes cleaning, disinfection, inspection, sterilisation, packaging of the instruments. We also date stamp our sterile pouches so we know when they need changing. We use enzymatic cleaners, detergents and other disinfectants that are specific for dental instruments. An AutoClave is a device that uses steam under pressure to sterilise dental instruments. It kills viruses, bacteria and spores. Yes, as long as the decontamination process has been followed correctly, the instruments are safe for all patients. Heavy-duty gloves, masks, protective eyewear and aprons. In sterile packaging, which is date stamped and initialed until they're ready to use, ensuring that they remain contamination free.